Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am here with today's legal update, Jagannath Rath Yatra. In this pandemic, we are receiving a good news that Supreme Court has allowed Puri's Rath Yatra with few restrictions. Now, we are going to discuss what are those restrictions and conditions which are to be followed during Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. Now, we are going to discuss those restrictions. So, Rath Yatra at Puri may be held subject to the following conditions. All entries point into the city of Puri, that is, airports, railway stations, bus stands, etc., shall be closed during the period of Rath Yatra festival. So, no one will be allowed to enter into the city of Puri and all the entry points will be closed. The state government shall impose a curfew in the city of Puri on all the days and during all the time when Rath Yatra chariot are taken into procession. The state government may also impose curfew in the city of Puri on such other days and during such time as deemed necessary. During the period of curfew, no one would be allowed to come out of their house or their place of residence, such as hotels, lodging house, etc. To start with, the curfew shall begin tonight at 8 p.m. Further, each rath, that is chariot, shall be pulled by not more than 500 people. Each of those 500 persons shall be tested for coronavirus. They shall be permitted to pull the chariot only if they have been found negative. The number 500 shall include officials and police personnel. And there shall be an interval of 1 hour between two chariots. And each of those who is engaged in pulling the chariot shall maintain social distancing before, during and after the Rath Yatra. And only such persons shall be associated with the rituals who have been found to have tested negative and shall maintain social distancing. So, whoever is going to engage with this Rath Yatra have to test it negative with the coronavirus and then only they will be allowed to participate in this Yatra. Further, the primary responsibility for conducting the Rath Yatra in accordance with the condition and other norms shall be that of the committee in charge of the Puri Jagannath temple administration, and each member of the committee shall be responsible for due compliance with the condition imposed by the court and the general direction which govern ensuring of public health issued by the union government. In addition, the officer designated by the state government for conduct of the Rath Yatra shall be responsible likewise. So, the court has also decided the responsibility and how the Rath Yatra should be conducted. The court further held that the rituals and the Rath Yatras shall be freely covered by the visuals media. So, all the television channels will be allowed to cover the Rath Yatra, and the state government shall allow TV cameras to be installed at such place as may be found necessary. TV crew. And the bare minimum number of people shall be allowed by the committee to participate in the rituals and in the Rath Yatra. So the Supreme Court take a note of the fact that the state of Odisha has a good record of having controlled the pandemic with a very little loss of life. So the court sees no reason why the same attitude of care and caution should not be applied to the Rath Yatra. The state government may take such help as may be found necessary from the union government. Further, the court said that the state government shall maintain a record containing details of all those people who have been allowed to participate in the Rath Yatra or the rituals connected therewith, along with the detail of their medical condition after testing. Now, thank you for watching this. Now, everyone is requested to please like, subscribe and share the videos among your peers. And there is one important announcement that we are starting daily and weekly legal updates on our channel. So, stay tuned and thank you again for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share the video.